If your hair tends to feel dry no matter how much product you use, this technique must just be a game changer for you. So I start off with a mixture of shea butter, coconut oil and castor oil, and I add this mixture directly to my leave-in conditioner. After washing my hair thoroughly, I apply this mixture all over my damp hair. Low porosity hair absorbs moisture better when it's damp or wet, so it's important not to skip this step. As I work the product in, I massage it into my strands from root to the tip. And massaging really stimulates blood circulation and it helps the product to be distributed evenly all over my hair. So why is this hack really so effective for low porosity hair? First, I think that mixing these oils with my leave-in conditioner creates a perfect balance of moisture and sealant in one step, which is exactly what low porosity hair needs to stay hydrated longer. Shea butter is deeply hydrating. Coconut oil helps to penetrate the hair shaft, and castor oil locks in moisture and adds a beautiful shine. So using these three together with my leave-in conditioner is a winning combo because they provide long-lasting hydration without feeling too heavy on the hair. That is why I also melt my shea butter before. If you're not sure whether you have low porosity hair, here's a simple test that you can try at home. So what you need to do is to take a clean strand of your hair and you drop it into a glass of room temperature water, and then you let it sit for about 2 to 4 minutes. If the hair floats at the top, that means you have low porosity hair, which means your cuticles are tightly packed and they resist moisture. If it sinks to the bottom, you have high porosity hair, meaning your cuticles are open and they absorb moisture quickly, but also lose it fast. And then if it flows somewhere in the middle, you have normal or medium porosity hair. This test is quick and easy and really helpful for understanding how to care for your hair. If you're starting your natural hair journey, you need to understand the type of hair that you have so that you know how to take care of it. Once I've applied the product thoroughly, I section my hair to detangle it. This is an important step because detangling helps prevent knots and breakage. I always detangle my hair when it's well moisturized to minimize damage. So I start from the ends and work my way up to the roots, and I use a wide tooth comb to gently detangle each section. This technique is much gentler and helps maintain the integrity of my strands. Moisture is really essential for keeping our natural hair healthy and soft and also manageable, so this method really will help you maintain those hydration levels. It's been almost a year since my big job and I've really enjoyed learning new hacks for caring for my hair. So if you have any hack for moisture or for taking care of natural hair, please drop it in the comments and let everyone know about it. that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching my video. This hair case really made a huge difference for my low porosity hair, and I hope it works for you too. Remember to keep your hair moisturized, and hydration is the key to healthy, beautiful, natural hair. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't, for more natural hair content. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video. Bye.